How to make keto Turkish soft-boiled eggs. Please kindly subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell, so that you will be the first to know whenever we upload a new video. Also, show some love, by liking and sharing this video, so that it can be recommended to as many people as possible, that need to see it. Thank you. The ingredients: 3/4 cup full fat plain Greek yogurt, 1 tablespoon tahini, 2 teaspoons fresh garlic, minced, 4 large egg, 28-gram butter, melted, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, ½ teaspoon paprika, 1 tablespoon olive oil, drizzled over the top. The preparation: 1. Measure out and prepare all of the ingredients. 2. In a bowl, mix together the Greek yogurt with the tahini. 3. With a mortar and pestle, grind the fresh garlic. Add the melted butter, turmeric, and paprika. Mix together well. 4. Softly boil the eggs. Alternatively, you could poach them. Peel them right away. 5. Serve the soft-boiled eggs over the yogurt and tahini mixture. Top with the garlic mixture. 6. Drizzle with olive oil. Serve immediately and enjoy. The serving. This makes a total of 2 servings of keto Turkish soft-boiled eggs. Each serving comes out to be 453 calories, 37 grams fat, 6.3 grams net carbs, and 23.3 grams protein. If you wanted to get a custom keto diet or dessert made up for you, just click on this link in the description below this video. Also, please kindly do like and share this video, so that it can be shown to as many people as possible, that need to see it. Thank you. Thank you for watching.